Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On my left, we have the Shark AI Ultra, and on my right, the XIEBro. It's a battle of suction, navigation, and self-emptying wonders. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark AI Ultra is priced at a whopping $549. It's like buying a small island, but instead, you're getting a vacuum that promises to clean up your mess. On the other hand, the XIEBro comes in at a more budget-friendly $269. That's right, folks, you can get two XIEBros and still have change for a pizza night. Reviewers appreciate the XIEBro for its cost-effectiveness, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Now, let's see which one can really suck, in a good way. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction that picks up dirt from all floor types. It's like having a mini tornado in your house, minus the destruction. Reviewers love how it handles pet hair and dirt effortlessly. Meanwhile, the XIEBro offers 1,600 pascals of suction power with 3 levels of adjustment. It's like a vacuum with a personality. Mild, medium, and spicy. Users commend its strong suction for its size. Both are great, but if you're looking to tackle the toughest messes, Shark's got the edge here. Next, navigation. The Shark comes with matrix clean navigation, cleaning in a precise matrix grid. It's like the robot has OCD and won't stop until every inch is spotless. Plus, it uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home. It's basically a vacuum with a PhD in navigation. Reviewers appreciate its methodical cleaning pattern. XIEBro, on the other hand, has advanced 3D obstacle avoidance. It's like a ninja, dodging everything in its path. It's praised for its ability to navigate small spaces and avoid obstacles, but it's not as precise as the Shark. So if you want a vacuum that's meticulous, Shark's your go-to. All right, let's talk about the lazy person's dream, self-emptying. The Shark AI Ultra has a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt. It's like having a tiny maid that never complains. Reviewers love the convenience of this feature, especially for busy households. XIEBro, well, it doesn't have this feature. So if you hate the idea of emptying dust boxes, Shark is your best friend. XIEBro, you might need to get your hands dirty. Pet owners, listen up. The Shark AI Ultra is perfect for homes with pets. It's got a self-cleaning brush roll and a HEPA filtration system that captures pet hair, dust, and dirt like a pro. Reviewers with pets highly recommend it for its superior pet hair management. XIEBro also handles pet hair pretty well with its roller brushes and 3-layer filter system. Reviewers note its effectiveness, but mention the catch bin fills up quickly. But Shark's HEPA filtration gives it the upper paw, ensuring your home is allergen-free. Last but not least, runtime. The Shark AI Ultra offers up to 120 minutes of cleaning time. That's 2 whole episodes of your favorite show. Plus, it has recharge and resume, so it'll pick up where it left off after recharging. Reviewers appreciate this feature for uninterrupted cleaning. XIEBro gives you up to 100 minutes, which is still impressive but not quite as long. So for those marathon cleaning sessions, Shark wins again. Reviewers find the Shark AI Ultra to be a premium, powerful, and pet-friendly option with meticulous navigation and a convenient self-emptying feature. On the other hand, the XIEBro is praised for being affordable, versatile, and agile, making it a great value for budget-conscious buyers. So, there you have it. If you're looking for meticulous cleaning, pet-friendly features, and a vacuum that practically thinks for itself, the Shark AI Ultra is your guy. But if you're on a budget and still want a solid performer, the XIEBro is a fantastic choice. Both vacuums have their strengths, so it really comes down to what you value more. Alright, Buy Smart family, which vacuum are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy. Product links are in the description.